Welcome YouTube to Bring Back Poker. Oh, sorry YouTube. Joe, we actually have. You know what? I'll announce it now, but not properly announce it. We have been sponsored to do a big ass poker tournament with quite a few funded accounts given away, but it's a community view community. So there's another really big trader with he's got like 100k on Instagram, and he has his own community, and we're gonna do a joint sponsored poker event. So it's MCR versus his community, and like the winner will get a 100k account, and then first to fifth will also get accounts as well. Well, second to fifth, but that'll be. I'm just waiting for the other person to get back to me, just to make sure it's all good, and hopefully that should be this week. So it should be fun. I don't know. Would you guys prefer to do it during the week or at the weekend? For like a little games event thing. I feel like at the weekend everyone would be gone, so the week is probably better, but I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, hello YouTube. Hope you guys are okay. Let me just ping this stream into the Discord, and then we'll get straight to it. Hopefully everyone had a pretty good week. Yeah, for me, I'll quickly go over what I got up to last week, how many trades I took and all that stuff. Who has actually, I'm going to put a poll out right now. Who has completed their weekly review? I want to see who has actually done it. Me? Nope. I doubt any of you have done it. I don't think anyone's done it. Let's see. Yep, that's 3 no's. It doesn't take long. Like, if you want, I can show you mine. It's literally what? It took me 10 minutes. And you just go over your week and write down what you can do better, what trades you took, were they good trades, did your emotions play with you at all, what can you do better for next week. It's so easy, but I know it doesn't look like it's gonna do much, but it's like for example school. Like, why on earth do you write down things in your books if there was no purpose of, you know, if there was no benefit of writing things down in your book, then you wouldn't have done it for the past, what, like, how many years you're in school? Like, at least 10, right? Including college and stuff. But even, like, if the data, for example, the data alone, if it's not helpful now, like, in a year's time when you start actually taking journaling seriously, you'll thank yourself that you've recorded all this data. For example, like, UK elections, right? I've journaled down what exactly happened during the election and to do with the markets. So when we next come to a UK election, for example, and you're like, what the fuck happened last time? I don't have a clue. I can then go back to the daily review from, you know, the last election, and I can see exactly what happened in the market and what trades I took and all that stuff. So it is very helpful. But yeah, right. Let's get to it. Hello, Light6. Hello. Right, so, yeah, we're good to go. Let me get the YouTube chat open, which it is. Last week, so Sunday we had France elections, and that had a bit of an impact on pound and euro on Monday. Bit of volatility, and I think I tried taking... was it this trade? No, that was Friday. Shit, I've already forgot what I've taken. 1 second, let me get my weekly review up. 2 secs. I've already forgot. That's not very good, is it? Weekly review, here we go. Okay, so GN, I had a miss on Monday. Which trade was it? I do not know. I'm guessing it was this. That was Monday. Probably not. It was maybe that buy. It was potentially that buy. That's Friday, Sunday. Monday. It was a sell from here. Okay, perfect. So on Monday, we had this GN miss. This was a 4-hour sell. I'm guessing I entered a tiny bit higher, and I'm guessing ATR was here, and it did like a 50 pip pullback. And then we also had pound Swiss, which let's try and find a setup Monday. Oh, it was this. Okay, so it was this daily setup. This one here with the fib and the level, and that one also missed. So Monday I had 2 misses, 2 close misses. Tuesday I had oil. I don't know if anyone else saw this trade or took this trade. If you did, congrats. I've not been properly watching commodities, I can't lie. I always forget. But oil worked really nicely. This was simply just... Let me make sure I'm sharing the right screen. Yeah, I am. This was literally just a trend line and this daily level. That was it. And it worked like instantaneously. I posted it in the chat. I entered at 0.6. Nope, 0.6 isn't a thing. 8.4. It must have been 8.4. And that worked like very, very fast. So that was a nice one. And then Wednesday, this is where it went all tits up, because Wednesday we had obviously a lot of news. If we have a look, no, that was this week. Let's go last week. Wednesday we had USD news at 1 o'clock, USD news at 3 o'clock, and USD news at 7 o'clock and 1:15. So we had 4 lots of red for USD, pretty much all of like US session. So it wasn't, you know, the best day to trade, to be honest. And then Thursday, of course, we had US bank holiday. So straight away volatility has gone in the market. And then we also had UK elections, which obviously I didn't touch at all because I didn't know how they'd have an impact, because I don't remember the last one. I think it's 2019, the last one, which I started late 2019. Anyone knows what to do when having a bug that makes the sound of Leon robotic? It's making me sound robotic. Is anyone else having this? Do I sound robotic, 21? Or is it just Gimo? No. No. Okay, Gimo, it might be you. Okay, yeah. Thank God. I think it's your Wi-Fi. I'm not home, so surely... Yeah, it might be your signal, data, whatever it is then. Sorry about that. If you listen to it back on... If you do really want to listen to it, yeah, I'm recording it anyway and it'll be posted on YouTube, so you can just go back if need be. Yeah, Thursday, obviously UK elections, so didn't trade because I didn't have a clue what happened. I didn't know if, you know, I think the polls ended at like 10 o'clock at night, and then it actually got announced like later on, but it didn't actually have much of an impact. Did anyone trade pound or anything on the election day, or did everyone stay clear? Because if you have a look, elections, what, Thursday day, absolutely nothing. And when it got announced, which was like Friday early morning, I think 3-4, like that was the official time it was actually announced. It didn't really do anything. But yeah, and then that was NFP. So literally nothing happened, which is really interesting. So yeah, and then Friday we had NFP, which again, I'm not trading. I don't really want to be in a trade when NFP is going on. I did have a late setup on Friday, which was this. It was GA and EA. No. It was GA and GN. Yeah, it was. There we go. So we had GN with the 4-hour level and ATR. And then we also had GA, which also had 4-hour level and ATR, which, as you can see, they both missed. So that was it. That was the week. Yeah, all good, Gimo. Problem, I don't know what it says. NFP came positive for the dollar and dollar went down. Didn't really look at that, to be honest. Yeah, no, it's the reason, I'm guessing. Let's see. One sec. So yeah, the reason why it most likely went down is because we saw mixed data. As you can see, we had unemployment rates come out as negative and non-farm employment chain come out as positive. So when that happens, you'll sometimes see price is a little bit unpredictable. Whereas if these were both, I keep on clicking off them. If these were both positive, then yeah, obviously USD would be positive. If they're both negative, fuck, I keep on clicking on the wrong thing, then it'd be both negative. But if they're mixed, yeah, sometimes that'll happen where price will spike one way and then go the other. And it's sometimes a little bit unpredictable as to which way it's actually going to spike, depending on what this data actually does. So when you see it come out at 130 and you see these two as positive and negative, you can actually trade that, because if it does that initial 5-minute bump, drops to the downside, you can enter buys and most likely it'll consolidate and go back to the original wherever price was at. Who releases the forecast on news? Honestly, I don't know. I don't know where the forecast data comes from, because it must be different, surely. Should we actually have a look? Forex Factory, where does the forecast come from? Let's see if it says. When do forecasts? But forecasts come out later. We get close to release day. Here we go. The detail. Are most likely averages of a wide range of individual forecasts obtained somewhere else. Bloomberg. Okay, right. Okay. So it's not a specific firm or hedge fund or whatever. It's a mix. Interesting. Right. Let's get to the actual analysis for this week. Yeah, now that we're on the 4 hour as well, these are getting pretty lengthy, I can't lie. So I'm going to try and be pretty fast. We've already done 15 minutes from when we started, and that was just last week's review and quick news check. I actually need to do another news check of this week. Let's see what's happening. That's... What? Wait, what? Elections again? Huh? Wait, so it was last Sunday and this Sunday? Oh, shit. Okay. Well, we're going to see pound and euro volatility tomorrow again. But apart from that, it looks nice. Tuesday also looks nice. Wednesday, bit of NZD overnight. USD in the afternoon. That's not too bad. Thursday, pound GDP, USD CPI. Oh, fucking hell. Okay. That's in the morning, and then US Open. That'll be an interesting day. And then Friday is just 1:30 p.m. Okay, that's not bad. So again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday looks okay. Just Thursday and Friday looks a little bit killer. Thursday mainly, to be honest. GDP and CPI is a bit of a killer combo. So yeah, let's see what happens. GU. Let's go over some markets. Boom. Nope. I guess you have this up here. Let's just mark all these out. Daily level. Let me make sure that I'm not... Looks like I'm eating the bottom half of my webcam. Daily level up there. This is sort of irrelevant. I'm not too interested in that. That's the more recent price action. So sells, there isn't really much unless you want to go like highs of wicks type thing. One sec. Just quickly. There we go. Yeah, unless you want to go highs of wicks or look at the 4 hour level instead. But actually, I've not really looked at that. I know this is a daily level with a daily wick. Looking at if the top of the 4 hour zone does a reaction. So this daily zone has it done a reaction? Not really. But for example, if we saw a reaction from this daily zone and then we come to the 4 hour zone, which is up here, you know, how often does that happen? And does the 4 hour still give a reaction? Don't know. I'm going to mark that as a 4 hour level though. That's interesting. We'll see. When it comes to buys, you do have... These break and retests aren't the nicest. I'm not massively keen on that one, to be honest. But this one doesn't look too bad. Again, it's not the nicest, but it's doable. Then you got the daily level here, which is also very messy because of that wick. Let's see. Actually, that's all right. That's okay. And then this looks nice on the 4 hour, to be fair. This does look really nice. So yeah, that's okay. But I don't really see any strict setups there. There's 61. Currently doesn't line up, but if we see a bit more of a push, that'd be a really nice break and retest, actually. So for now, nothing on GU. Pound CAD, that break and retest worked a few times. I know it missed, but then we actually saw a nice tap of it. And we're currently at this secondary level here, which was NFP, which is, yeah, caused a very big push. And we saw that level actually work. What did it do? 21, which isn't much, but it did provide a bit of a pullback. Yeah, that level's gone now. That level's gone. We have the daily zone, of course, up here, which I would happily take a trade from. I know it's wide, very wide. But this move into the level is very nice. And that GU 4 hour, if we saw ATR or something line up, that actually could be pretty nice. But yeah, this is at a decent move in. This break and retest here, 50, 70. I will mark it out, but again, it's, I don't know. I'd rather just use this for alignment. Unless we saw a lot of confidences, because you do have the psych there. So if you saw the psych level, maybe there was a fib. Let's check fib. And, you know, ATR, so there is a fib there. If we did see ATR line up with this as well, then I guess we could go for that. And even if you went, what? Let's see. What's appropriate? Oh, I'm going to sneeze. No, I'm not. Don't sneeze, Leon. Ah! Also, fucked up my chest at the minute. Doing boxing sparring. I was doing really long sessions, and apparently I've strained the muscle. There's like a thin layer of muscle around your lungs. It's either that or the muscles in between my ribs around my lungs. I've not exactly like sprained or tore them, but I've basically used them way too much, and I've ached the fuck out of them. And there's I've got loads of yellow bruises on my chest, which is fucked. So if I try and do like a deep breath or cough or sneeze, for example, the pain is fucking crazy. So I need to make sure I don't sneeze, otherwise I'll probably have a panic attack. I would literally drop on the floor if I sneeze right now. Or if I needed to cough, yeah, I'd probably start crying on stream. That's how bad the pain is. So no gym, no working out, no boxing until it's healed, which is a bastard. But yeah, interesting one. Anyway, cracking on. Yeah, pound CAD does look nice if we do see ATR line up, so that is actually nice. That could be good. Let me mark out that as an alert. My low back hernia popped out on Tuesday as well. Oh, fuck. Yeah, it doesn't sound nice. How did you do that? Was it at work, or like did it just randomly happen? Pound Swiss. I don't really see anything here, to be honest. It is very, very boring. Even a 4 hour looks very dull. There's nothing much here. 38 pip. I'm not really taking a level. That's 30 pip. So yeah, nothing on Pound Swiss at all. Feel free to send in your subs, by the way. You guys are normally pretty quiet in here, so if you do want to send in like your analysis, or if you create a little watch list, or I don't know, when I'm going through certain pairs, if you see that I'm going to go through Pound Aussie next, send in your Pound Aussie setup, and then we can compare them at the same time, or I'll look at yours and then look at mine. Motorcycle accident on the way back from camp originally back in 2017. Fuck. Jesus Christ. So it's been giving you that much fucking stress. What's that? 7 years. Damn. Yeah, that's tough. Yeah, I'm taking it so slow because it's just not worth it. I could rush back into the gym and get cracking, but you know, if I strain it again, that's like a lifelong injury, and I don't really want that, to be honest. Let me puff myself up as well. There we go. That's a bit better. Right. So what are we on? Pound entered D. That was a miss, obviously, so that is gone now. 4 hour levels on pound entered D. Move that a little bit. There we go. 28, you got that, which is that daily, or no, it's a 4 hour level. You got the daily down there, and that's it. There is, again, there's not much there. That's been used, so that's gone. This could obviously be a new level, but we've got to wait for it to actually make a bit of a move. So yeah, nothing on GN at the minute, but let's have a look actually. Is that a fib? Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, so we got a really nice buy setup, 4 hour. To be honest, it's usually okay. I can lift and stuff, but every now and then it comes back because I'm too stubborn to rehab it probably. Nah. That's a lifelong injury again. That can play with you for like the next 50 years if you're not careful. Don't want to absolutely do yourself in though. So, I don't know. I take it slow. Like when I was doing dips, when I first started the gym, I don't know how it happened. It must have been my form, but I was doing dips, just not weighted or anything, just body weight dips. And I was doing like a lot of reps. I was doing like 3 sets of 20 or something. And when I got towards the end, when I was really pushing myself, it was disgusting. I felt my chest pop. Like, I don't know. It's a weird feeling to describe, but it literally felt like a bone popped out of place type thing right in the center of my chest, and I immediately got like a really like inwards dent in my chest, and I like for the next 2-3 weeks I could not go to the gym at all. Like there's some crazy weird pain in my chest, and it went all yellow as well. It bruised really badly. I don't know what it was, but I can't even find it online. I found like 1 or 2 examples of other people doing it, but there was no actual like, I don't know, you know, you've torn this certain muscle or something. People explained it saying like it makes a popping sensation or whatever. But anyway, that put me out for like a month, and I was like, yeah, fuck that. I've not done dips since. No, I didn't visit the hospital, but I definitely should have. I don't know why I didn't visit the hospital. That was a very silly mistake. But yeah, since then, I've not done dips, and it's been, what, close to a year now. Even though I did really like them, I don't know why. I've just given me PTSD now, and I'm scared to do them in case it happens again, because the feeling was disgusting. It was not nice at all. That can go. There isn't really much on GA. You got loads of independent levels here, which are all mushed together, which never is nice. You got these three. I'd rather... Oh, I shouldn't have had that coke. Just burping 24/7 now. I'd rather price just push straight into this level. Because we've got a psych level, and this is obviously the extreme. I'd much rather just see a nice push into this, rather than piss about on that one, and then see a move and it breaks that one. Just one clean move straight into that top level. That would be the nicest scenario, but I don't know if we'll actually get that. So we'll just see what happens, to be honest. And that 4-hour level, that one's cancelled. And then you've got this level here, which was really close to doing a reaction as well. I don't know. I wouldn't really take a trade from that low one either now. So GA is looking pretty boring unless we do see a push through those levels straight into that one. GJ, not really bothered. I'm honestly not really trading JPY pairs at the minute unless we do start seeing some decent levels. That's 140, fucking hell, 140 pips. Okay, so that's a valid 4-hour. If we do see nice 4-hour setups, then sure, yeah. But daily setups are a little bit scary. Don't want to be holding the trade for like 12 hours. I just realized I had the YouTube open. Euro Swiss. Again, not much has been going on at all. I don't really see anything there. You got this little gap, which price could obviously do a little something towards or bounce off or whatever, we'll see. But yeah, nothing there. Euro USD, we are seeing a tap of this 4-hour level right now, which already had a reaction. Oh, damn. That was a nice little NFP trade. Missed by like a pip and did 40.50. GJ and Nikki both at highs now. Maybe see some downside this week. I'll have a look at Nikki now, actually. I'll finish EU and then we'll go over it. Yeah, so that level's pretty much done. We got that 4-hour. Don't sneeze, Leon. Why is it when my body knows not to sneeze, it wants to sneeze? That's 60. You could see that. That's a 4-hour break and retest, to be fair. Again, if we did see... Yeah, if we saw like fib and ATR or some sort of alignment with DXY, then that could be really nice. But on its own, it looks pretty terrible. And then you got the daily level down here. Let's have a look at Nikki, where Nikki is. And we'll go over bonds as well. Wow, look at that reaction on bonds from that level. Whew. Yeah, that worked nice. I don't know if that corresponded much with... The DXY did move down. DXY did do the move down. Stock should have went up. Yep, stocks went up. US 30 should have went up. And had a bit of a mixed week. So if we go on like... obviously, this is a weakness. So we should have seen like... What? NZD USD strength. Yeah, wow, that aligned really nicely. We should have seen weakness with these. Yep, yep, yep. We should have seen GU strength last week. Yep. EU strength. Yep. Wow. So that bond, Jesus Christ. 10-year bonds, just that level alone, caused some crazy weakness on USD. And that correlated across the entire market. That was really nice. Wow. Now what do we see? Not really bothered about 4-hour levels, to be honest. Some of them work, but yeah. To be fair, that little 4-hour break and retest did do a tiny bit of a move. But yeah, that's gone. Let's look at this day level down here. Mark it there. DXY. You do have this. Okay, that's a 4-hour level. Okay, fair enough. That's pretty much a gone one now. That's the new level. US 500, not really seeing much. UK 100 did a rough reaction. Again, nothing too interesting there. Let's mark that as a daily level. US 30, very boring. J225, okay. Oh wow. Fucking hell. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah. So most likely going to see a decent amount of JPY strength. That is really nice. 41k mark. So yeah, so weakness on this, JPY strength, which means GJ weakness. Is there anything at levels currently? It's all historical levels, isn't it? There's no recent levels. Yeah, they're all super historical levels. It's nice. I mean, if you just sat on a personal account testing things, and taking shorts on JPY would be really nice, just to see how it goes. But yeah, that's really interesting. That's a nice level. Euro USD, nothing. Euro CAD, not really interested much here. That was the break and retest, 4-hour break and retest, which worked. I think that had ATR or something, but I classed it as a miss because of this wick here. It missed by 10 and did like almost 30, so I cancelled, but that was a nice trade. I forgot about that one, to be honest. That daily's a bit weird. So is the 4-hour, to be honest. Okay, so we'll mark out the daily. Let's have a look. Daily level. Yep. You got the 4-hour and another daily. That 4-hour there, that could be a potential trade, especially if we're seeing this momentum continue. That would be a really nice move into this level. You don't have anything else. It's just the 4-hour level at the minute, but we could maybe see like a ATR. That could be potential. Yeah. So apart from that, maybe we could see oh shit, actually you do have that 4-hour level. I was thinking that. You do also have the 4-hour break and retest, which could be potential if we continue pushing up. Euro Aussie. Let's have a look. Delete one of them. That, I don't know what I was looking for. 4-hour break and retest. Wait, what? Oh, we took that. Okay, I was gonna say that's a beautiful setup. Yeah, we took that one. Well, I took it. I don't know if you guys took it. Not really seeing much now. It's a little bit messy. You do have that 4-hour level, which is 100. That's not too bad. You don't have anything else with it. ATR potentially, but yeah, it's an okay 4-hour level. Get rid of the cells on it. Euro NZD daily, again looking a little bit boring. You do have that weird break and retest, which 150. The 4-hour is no go. Yeah, I don't know, that break was a little bit off. No, I think I'll skip on that one. So apart from that, you don't really have much. You have a few 4-hour levels. I guess that is a 4-hour level, but I don't like how, again, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't like it when it does this. I'll either take the first or the last. That's it, actually, that one. I wouldn't really take any of these little ones in between unless we're seeing like crazy confluences. So to be honest, I'm just gonna skip Euro into D for now. Euro JPY, not bothered. Aussie Swiss, we saw a miss. ATR move in. And I think we had alignment with something. Aussie NZD, that was it. Aussie NZD and Aussie Swiss, and they both missed. I forgot about them as well. Yeah, apart from that now, Aussie dollar Swiss, I mean, that level can be disappeared. 36. You do have that weird daily break and retest. Again, the break isn't actually, that one's all right. I think I kind of like that one. Daily break and retest. How many pips is that? 90. The 4-hour doesn't look too good, but the daily does look okay. If you mark out the fib, no fib either. I mean, actually, no, wait. Oh yeah, that's all right. 10 pips. Not too bad. We'll mark it out. Okay. Aussie dollar, US dollar. If we see alignment with it, of course, then it's a beautiful setup. But without alignment, it might be a bit of a shocker. Unless we see ATR and stuff. Yeah. Aussie dollar Swiss. We're not seeing too much. This break and retest zone is pretty disgusting. You have way too many levels here. Yeah, I don't really see much there. If we continue up, then there's literally nothing until this daily level. And if we continue down to this break and retest, I'm not looking to take that. I think I'd rather wait until this level here. Yeah, nothing there. Aussie CAD, again, similar. There's absolutely nothing unless we do see a move up and see a break and retest. But apart from that, it's not until, you know, this level down here, which again isn't a very nice level. Aussie NZD, this level is gone. Now we're just looking for 4-hour stuff, which again, these levels are pretty weak. I'm not massively interested in any of these, so just gonna skip. AJ, nope. NZD Swiss. Ooh, fucking hell, that was so close. That was on Thursday. Was that news? Oh yeah, it had to have been. It was Swiss news. 7 AM Thursday. I feel like it was the Swiss news that came out. 7 AM on Thursday. It was a Swiss news. Okay, I thought so. I was going to say, because that's a really nice setup, but I would have recorded it my forward testing, but no, there's news. Yeah, I record pretty much everything apart from news related entries, take profits, stop losses, whatever. Even misses. I won't record misses if it was due to news. Is anyone using the new version of the journal where you can select the month with the calendar thing? Why isn't it let me exit? I made some updates to the journal which allows you to select different months. So if you get rid of this, it'll just show the current month. This is just for show. This isn't actually my stats. I didn't lose 3% on a Saturday, but then you can select actual days and it will allow you to actual days, actual months, and it will show you your profits and stuff for those months of the current year. Of course, you can't really go back to like 2023, unfortunately, but yeah. I did post that. That's always updated, by the way. I always have the most updated version in resources, which is this one. If you click it just here, and it'll send you straight to the link. And then you got like the different reviews and stuff in there as well. But yeah, again, it's super easy to transfer over. So if you are using like the old journal and you want to use the new one, you literally just grab all this apart from the month and apart from the risk reward. So you then hold control, select that, control C, go on a new one, control V, done. That's it. Yeah. So if anyone is using that, feel free to send me some pictures of your stats and stuff, because it would be cool to see them in action. Let's see. Again, these 4-hour levels are disgusting. I'm not trading any of them. That. I would not want to take any of those trades. So I think by the looks of it, we've just got pound. That's mainly it. That's gone. Yeah. Oh, NU actually looks okay. We got daily level. Probably refine it to the 4-hour. Yeah, most likely. Then you've got the psych level up here, which could be a big fib. 61 fib. You ready? Nah, too far. Okay. Yeah, I was just looking to see if there's any absolutely monster fibs. Let me turn that. I just realized it's gotten really dark. Okay, that'll do. Oh, great. My camera's just turned off. Nice. Okay, perfect. Let me turn it off and on. One sec. It isn't that great. Right, you gonna turn on? There we go. Yeah, NU. Potentially, if we see ATR, nice move in. Alignment, that could be perfect. Because that has the psych level as well. So I'll mark that out for a sell, because I actually do like that level. NZD card. What's that? Is that 4-hour level? 61 fib, 4-hour level of 50 pips. It's not amazing, is it? Right, camera. You're pissing me off, mate. What's it doing? Is it dying? I can't tell if it's dying. Let me turn it off and on again. I'll just turn it off for like 2 minutes and then I'll turn it back on. Yeah, NZD CAD isn't looking too nice. NJ, nope. USD Swiss, there's literally no buy levels at all. Unless you want to go 4 hour with that 61, which is 30 pips. So no, thank you. I took the 4 hour level / 61 fib on GC on Friday, so I'm hoping it pulls back. Ooh, let's see. Oh, okay, I think I know what level you're on about. That current wick we're at. Okay, yeah, I see it. When did it tap? Ah, okay. It did like 20 pips. EC is also at 61 fib. Okay, that's a valid trade. It's just, yeah, I didn't really want to take a... I don't know. That NFP is a pretty nasty move in from NFP. NFP hour is literally an hour after NFP you got tapped in, which for me at least is a no thank you. And EuroCAD is at 61, but with no level. Oh, it's almost at a 61. Unless you're at Euro Swiss. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still a bit iffy with taking trades that soon after like NFP and stuff. Unless the trade is like perfect, absolutely perfect, then yeah, sure. Let me see. Oh, actually, let me say 97%. How's my camera at 97%, but it's turning off? Oh, I just realized I don't have my light on. That's why. Wait. GN 4 hour buys. Right, everyone's woken up now. Jesus Christ. There we go. GN 4 hour buys. Let's see. 61 fib. To be fair, did not see that. Yeah, I did. Yeah, we did see that. Yeah, 61 fib. ATR currently lines up. We'll see if it lines up on the day. Yeah, that was actually pinned. Yeah, it was. Okay. Nice. Yeah, feel free to send in selps. All you guys are being so goddamn quiet. Pretty much almost done. I think it's a bit of a slow week to start, to be honest. We have a few pound selps. Pound CAD looks good for the break retest. GN looks good for the 61 buy. So potential alignment on the buys, maybe on the 4 hour. And Aussie Swiss, what do we have on this? Oh, potential break retest, which is terrible. And then that's it. Has anyone else got anything else? Apart from Pound CAD and Pound NZD, does anyone else have any daily 4 hour selps for the MCR strat at least? If you guys have done your analysis. GU. Let's look at GU. What are you seeing on GU? The sell? I don't really... The break retest is actually nice. Yeah, the break retest is nice with the psych level. And potentially the 61 fib. It is miles away. 100 pips probably end of week. Oh, you're on about the sell? Yeah, sell from ATR. Sell from wick, and if ATR moves up. Yeah, I agree with that. Because you do have the 4 hour level. But I don't know, like I was saying before, if we see a reaction from this daily level, let's say it does this, but then we see a move back into the 4 hour level, would you take that? Don't know. No. Okay. So if we see a continued move up straight into that 4 hour level with ATR, you would take it now, right? But if we see a reaction, yeah, okay, right, that's fair. Yeah. I agree. Because to be fair, we haven't had much of a reaction at the minute. We've done 20, 30. Oh, that was from NFP as well, to be fair. So, okay, so if we see a nice move in of 40 pips on not market open, but Monday, then yeah, okay, I agree. But we need ATR. No ATR, no trade. If we see alignment, then fuck yes, beautiful trade. NU, but not the biggest fan. Let's see. What's he looking for on NU? I'm guessing you're also looking for the sell, which is the 0.62. Can you do silver? Yeah, I'll go over silver, yeah. I'm guessing you're looking at the psych, right, Wayfam? Yeah, okay. Yeah, perfect. I've got the same. But again, we need ATR. If ATR's there, yeah, sure, I'll take it. And we see a nice move in. Yeah, sure. EA buys if strong move in and ATR. Let's have a look. EA buys if strong move in and ATR. Is it? Yeah, all right. I see. I think there's not much space to do a strong move in at the minute. Yeah, okay. No, I see. Yeah, because I guess you've got the 1.6 level down here. But be careful of that. That's the only thing. If it smashes through that, yeah, sure. But this level might be a bit of a challenge. So yeah, dependent on if we see a break of this level or not. If we do see a bit of a reaction or consolidation around this zone, don't go for that. I mean, actually, I wouldn't go for that. Sorry. You can go for it, but I wouldn't go for it. But yeah, if we see a break of that one straight to this one, again, yeah, that's nice. I don't like the EA buy in such a strong downtrend. Yeah, that's also fair. That's fair. How big of a downtrend are we looking? Yeah, quite hefty. But I think I've done worse, to be honest, and it's worked. So, but yeah, that's completely fair. If that's part of your rules, that's part of your rules. Has anyone been taking any commodities trades over the past like month or so, or past few weeks? Any gold, silver, oil, or has anyone been looking at it and analyzing and all that stuff? Because I've been keeping an eye out, I can't lie, and it's been pretty good so far. Obviously, gold is a bit of a dodgy one to trade with the amount of USD news. It's a bit scary. But some levels have been working, not really daily. I've more been refining them to the 4 hour, to be honest. I don't really care about daily levels. They're a bit too chunky. EA is in a nice channel, though. Might have to add a touch. 4 hour. Let's have a look. There we go. First chart of the evening. There we go. We're getting there. Thank you, Hemo. All the other people are sleeping. Wayfam, you're not. Trap, Joe, you guys are good, don't worry. But I see some sleepers in the chat. Let's have a look. Channel. Duplicated trend line. Nice. Nice level. 30. I thought you had your fib back to front then. 38 fib. I didn't even see that, to be fair. 23 fib. What? Why am I not seeing this? What? 1 second. Euro Aussie dollar. Oh, I just drew it like an idiot. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. I did not see that. I didn't see that line up. Yeah, that's really nice. Nice spot. And that lines up. And that lines up. Fuck me, that is a beautiful fib. Damn, that is a really nice fib. Yeah, nice find. Yeah, I like that. I really like that. Yeah, beautiful find, Hammer. That's nice. Beautiful, beautiful. If we do see a push into that, that's nice. I feel validated. Yeah, that's a good find, man. I mean, I didn't see it and you saw it, so yeah, you're doing something right. Or potentially wrong. You could be doing something wrong. Convincing me that you're right. Yeah, gold, I don't really see much now. Daily, yeah, I guess you'd have like break and retest, but it had to push up a little bit more. But 4 hours, but no, not really. Silver, let's have a look at silver. We had this level which correlated with gold, and gold obviously saw the reaction before silver did. So as you can see from this level here, and it did a reaction. So silver, obviously, you wouldn't have taken that level because it correlates heavily with gold. We are seeing a fucking hell, Leon. Correlation between this level though and silver has done a reaction, but gold hasn't, which is just realized that was actually a pretty nice trade. ATR just below. Ooh, ATR was no, okay, that was no, never mind. That was an NFP trade. I was gonna say that was actually all right with the level ATR, not too bad, but again, not really seeing that's NFP. I don't want to take a trade from an NFP wick. So I don't really see anything on silver at the minute, apart from like this this high up here. So yeah, don't really see much, to be honest. Unfortunately, who asked that? Trap, sorry. Yeah, we'll see until wait until it creates levels. Oil, again, oil has gone now. And that was probably the only nice trade for the next 2 months. So yeah, I want to start trading NQ and ES. Oh, fucking hell. Do you really need to? I mean, I don't... let's have a look. Why have I just typed in EQ? ES minis. Are you talking about like the 30-second, 1 minute time frame type stuff? There's nothing to find though. Unless you have a strategy built around it. We just use that for alignment. Do you know NQ and ES what it actually is? We already use it. It's just that's like the futures version, isn't it? It's just the stock market. That's it. But yeah, I don't really see many decent setups on this. I think I'd rather just stick to Forex and stuff, especially now we're trading a 4 hour. I really don't think you need, if you're doing it effectively at least, I think you can find plenty of trades. For example, Tux. Tux is taking like fucking 3 to 5 trades a week and he's just on a daily time frame. He's just doing a bit degeneracy, but he's doing really well. JJ is like a heavy 4 hour trader and he's taking multiple trades a week. Like if you put them together, I mean, even me, I took 5 trades last week, which is not last week, last month, sorry. 5 trades last month, which is crazy. That is like, that's a ridiculous. Oh, it technically took 6. One of them was a daily trade that didn't work. We won't talk about that. But the 5 of them were the 4 hour trades and every single one worked. That's 6 trades in a month, which for me is insane. Like I normally take 2 to 4 max. 6 trades is crazy. And that was whilst I was forward testing and, you know, not taking iffy trades. The trades were good, to be fair. But once I build that confidence and I know exactly what trades to look for, I think I'll increase or stay around the same. If I can average at least 1 trade a week, so we're talking, let's say 5 trades a month on average, I am more than happy. But yeah, I guess, you know, if you want to take more trades, then you can add a little side thing on the side. Enki moves like crypto and ES can be boring as heck, so they're fun. Guess so. Guy I know was trading Enki mostly on the 1 second time frame. Fuck that. 1 second time frame. That is crazy. I think that's a no thank you. 1 second time frame is insane. I don't know about that one. Thanks, camera, for just dying on me. Appreciate it. Are you gonna turn back on? No. Okay, all good. Yep, thank you. 99%, but it's dead. That makes sense. Right, well that is pretty much about it. Anyone have any last questions before I disappear into the void? I'll do a little breakdown tomorrow morning anyway, depending on how those election stuff goes. So, yep. Yeah, because we'll most likely see a bit of volatility at market open / early morning. So I'll do a little breakdown on the little daily vid section, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on what I'm taking, what I'm looking at, and yeah, I'll speak to you guys on Thursday for the mentorship call. But I'll speak to you in